This is the Big Back Hot Honey Chicken Sandwich. This will single-handedly ruin that summer body you've been working so hard on, but it will satisfy those taste buds in a way no other recipe can. So let's not waste any time and get right on into it. So we have 4 boneless and skinless chicken thighs, 2 bowls of flour, all purpose. This one is 2 cups, this one is 1 cup. This is gonna be like a wet batter, and then this is gonna be the dry batter that we dip it in afterwards. The dry batter, I'm gonna season this up with this seasoning right here. It will be in the description box and listed on the screen as well. And we're gonna pour this one in this one. Pour this one in this one. You know what I mean, guys. Pour that one in the big one, okay? We're also gonna toss in some hot sauce. We're gonna toss in 1 egg. And the secret to make it nice and crispy is some club soda, guys. We're gonna toss some club soda in here. And that's what I mean when I say this is like a wet batter, okay? Go ahead and give that a mix. Gonna need a little bit more. This club soda really takes it to the next level, I'm letting you know. I've been doing this method for a while now. If you're a huge fan of the channel, then you already know how awesome this batter comes out. This is like what I'm looking for right here. And I should have mixed this up with the whisk before I got it wet, but I'll just use my hand, that's fine. Just to get this dry blend together. So what you're gonna do, nice and easy, drop in your boneless and skinless chicken thighs right in that wet batter. And you're just gonna mix it up and get everything nicely incorporated, guys. So you're just gonna shake off the excess. Try to get as much off as possible. And we're gonna drop it in this dry flour right here. I'm gonna use my dry hand just to get it coated. I'm gonna kind of pack it in. As you can see, you wanna really pack it in so it's in all the little cracks and crevices of this beautiful chicken thigh. And you should be looking something like this. Once you're all breaded up, you want to put that to the side and you want to continue until you have them all breaded up, guys. So we have our oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we are gonna toss the chicken right on in. I'm gonna cook them in pairs. You don't want to overcrowd that oil right there. It's gonna just bring down the temperature way too much. And when I have a pan like this, I like to move around the chicken, because what happens is the part that's touching the bottom of the pan will get way too crispy, way too quickly, and you'll have like a little burnt spot on your chicken that you don't really want. So I definitely like to move them around, flip them a little bit. If you have an actual deep fryer with a basket, even better. But I'll see you guys when this chicken is all the way done, guys. It's looking really good so far. All right, so our chicken is pretty much done. Look at that, guys. How beautiful is this? Beautiful, crispy chicken, guys. Looks absolutely amazing. And this cooked in total for about like 5 to 6 minutes. Like I said, oil at 350, and we got a beautiful crust, making sure to move it around as it's cooking. And of course, guys, you can't forget to toast your buns. I got a little butter in the pan. Pan nice and hot, and we got our buns looking beautiful. These are brioche buns. So this hot honey sauce is super simple. I'm gonna do a ratio of probably half hot sauce, half hot sauce and half honey. So there you go. I'm using Louisiana hot sauce. I know you guys always wonder what sauce I like using, Louisiana. And then you're gonna add in your honey. And if you wanna, you know, bring up the heat a little bit, you can also add some red pepper flakes to this, but I'll make it kind of really spicy. And that's kind of a preference thing. Some people like their stuff a little bit more spicy than other people. This would probably be good enough for me. I don't think I need any extra spice. I'm gonna add a little bit more honey to that. And we should be pretty much good to start soaking up our chicken in this yummy goodness right here. All right, now I don't want to destroy our beautiful chicken right there. I do not want to destroy that crust. So I'm just gonna layer some like that and just kind of rub it on like so. Maybe pour a little bit on the top. I'm trying to keep that crust intact, guys, okay? Normally, like with some wings or something like that, you would like literally pick it up and just toss it in the sauce. But as you can see here, I'm just kind of layering it on. Just like so. And it's looking so good, guys. Take a look at this. Come on now. How beautiful is that? So it's time to assemble that big back chicken sandwich. We're gonna begin with that bottom bun there. I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of lettuce. Just like so. 1 tomato. Gotta hit it with that extra bacon. Not a little bit of bacon. Extra bacon, guys, extra bacon. Coming in with that hot honey chicken. And we are not done, folks. We are not done. I have me some onion. These are not quite caramelized, but they're almost there. If you know caramelized onion, they take forever. I did not have the patience to get them all the way there, but they're almost there. And last but not least, gotta top this bad boy off. Bam! It's about to go down. This is the big back hot honey chicken sandwich, and it looks glorious, guys. Glorious. Come on now. I gotta give you a close-up of this. Come on now, stop playing with me. This right here is beautiful. The bacon, the onion, the lettuce, the tomato, that hot honey sauce, and that well-seasoned up chicken. This is gonna be so good. I am too excited to try this, guys. It's gonna be a little messy. This is a big boy right here. All right, cheers. Still plenty crunchy. Oh my goodness. So good. So freaking good. I'm dripping all over the floor right now. Yo. Life-changing. This is life-changing right here. Oh my goodness. Like I said, this is not a healthy recipe, but it's delicious, guys. So good. Can't go wrong with some fried chicken, guys, with that hot honey sauce, the bacon. Oh my. There are very few words I can use to describe this experience right here, guys. It's life-changing. You gotta give it a go. You gotta give it a go. YOLO, you only live once, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes you gotta have a little cheat day or whatever, and this is it right here. Absolutely amazing, so delicious, full of so much flavor. You will not find a better chicken sandwich anywhere else, and you can make it right there in your kitchen with little to no effort, as you've seen. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I appreciate you all watching. If you haven't already, subscribe if you're new, like this video, let YouTube know you're loving the content. Comment down below, let me know what you think about today's video as well as what you want to see on the next one. I'm always up for your suggestions as far as what you want to see, and I'll be sure to see you shortly. Deuces.